Hey everyone, this is a short presentation of our work for the IES Student and Young Professionals Activity Committee of the TFA 2021. Now, before we can really take a look at our work, I'll have to quickly explain the concept of re-identification to you. This concept, which is commonly being used for pedestrian surveillance, can be defined as the identification and therefore not just classification of a previously recorded subject using its inherent characteristics. Now, what we try to do is to apply this very concept to Euro pellets. In this case, the natural inherent characteristics that we can exploit to identify these pellets are the unique patterns of their chipwood pellet blocks. Using YOLO-based object detection, we trained a network to detect pellet blocks in live recordings. To have an environment in which we could more rigorously test our approach, we built a demonstrator from scratch. After improving our object detection results to a satisfying degree, we now ventured into the identification of pellets. The pellets that we used are smaller, purpose-built versions of Euro pellets. Now, with our demonstrator up and running, we were able to simulate the inbound and outbound flow of pellets in a warehouse and applied our re-identification methods to it. Naturally, for these re-identification methods to work, our neural network needed some data to train on. Since this is a novel application of re-identification, we built our dataset from scratch, generating a grand total of 5,020 images. Using this dataset, we were able to solve the task of closed set re-identification with accuracies of up to 98%. The dataset in its entirety is available on our GitHub. Finally, to improve our dataset, we have now started our first field tests in the industry using lightweight versions of our setup. So this is it for me, and I hope to get back to you soon with new results of our research. Bye!